Welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe for more content. So today is the compression test day, and we're going to figure out which one of these motors is the healthiest. So while Andrew's in the car messing with the e-brake, I'm going to go ahead and get this camera situated so we can get this show on the road. Cue that intro music. Fortunately, we have a downfall here as well. I can't get my door to unlock on the side. I feel like that central relay code that I got has got something to do with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the seats because I gotta get to the fuse box. To remove the seatbelt, you're gonna have to use a T40 on this. So now we're about to pull the fuel pump fuse. You gotta take these little tabs out right here. Drop that down. And I don't know if your BMW comes with it, but mine came with this little retractor. You might need an actual like needle nose plier or something to actually get into here because it's pretty tight. But mine is an 07, and this is the fuse that you need to pull here. And that's the fuse that you need to pull for your fuel. It'll be the bottom 20. That right here so you don't lose it. Whew. Hopefully in your situation you don't got to pull all the seats, so let's actually go outside to the spark plugs and the coil packs. And if you're doing a compression test, you should already probably know how to pull your spark plugs and your ignition coils, but I'm going to show you real quick. And it's real easy. Just go ahead and pop this tab right here. Be a little careful. You see how they eject it, and take your finger, just pull it out, and then you can pull your ignition coil out. So I don't know what that liquid is. I'm hoping it's just water from the engine just sitting. So we're gonna go ahead and siphon it out and clear this out before I pull this spark plug. All right, so we got our compression kit here. Comes with all the fittings that we need. And for BMW, you're gonna need the M12 adapter for your spark plugs. Comes with a quick connect. So I'm going to use the short one. We're going to drop the quick connect on there. And I actually went ahead and took this off because it'd be easier to thread it on with the piece. Make sure it's tight, not too tight though. And now do your quick connect. Get a nice pull so you make sure it's nice and secured. All right, you're good. 158. I'll put that marker. I mean, yeah, that's cylinder one though. $165. You said 125? 165. Didn't do it the first time properly, and I actually got this stuck in my spark plug wall. So what you need to do is take this piece to this piece and get a vice grip and tighten, wrench as hard as possible, because I just fought for like 20 minutes trying to get this out. That you're at like 185, 185, and 180. Hold on. Make sure that's tight down in there. No.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ. And just like I feared, there was gonna be something wrong with the motor. The 5th cylinder and the 6th cylinder are giving us 107 on 5 and 71 on 6. So this is a unhealthy motor. But don't fret, you know, I have another 335i. It's already got a good motor in it for the most part. We're actually gonna go ahead and press test this one and make sure it's actually good to go.
Hold on. You might have to put a battery tender on this battery.
All right. That's good. That's good.
Last cylinder. Go ahead. Okay. I got something wrong here. Oh, I'm losing. I need that. I can't read number 6 without the injector in. I'm gonna go ahead and probably make the assumption that it's fine, but I mean, once we put the injector in.
So I was actually gonna go LS swap because I broke the bolt that holds the injector in, and I was like, God, man, I don't even want to deal with that. Scrub the whole engine. But finding that manual swap for $1,000, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and get that bracket back in. So after me and Andrew, well, mostly Andrew, tried to use the extractor I bought to get the bolt out, it just didn't seem like it was going to reach due to how tight the engine bay is. So we tried to remove a couple things, thinking it would help to get some room, but ultimately we just gave up for the day once we came to the conclusion that since I was getting such good numbers on all cylinders, I'm assuming the engine is healthy, as the only thing that failed before was an injector. But tune in for more as we start to tear apart the manual 335 and get it ready for the swap.